Okay, student. Today start the new topic polynomials chapter. The chapter name is polynomials. Class 9th unit 3rd exercise 3.1. So this is very important chapter, student. Polynomials. Polynomials are related to the algebraic expression. On algebraic expression we are studying in class 9th also. So first of all, define the polynomials. Polynomials. Polynomials means student poly plus nomial. Poly plus nomial. Poly plus nomial means poly means many, nomials means term. Many term. Many terms of algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. Algebraic expression. The polynomials means poly plus nomial. Poly means many term of algebraic expression. First question student create, sir, what is the algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is the definition in the form of an algebraic expression. Algebraic expression algebraic expression in which the variable have only one negative, only one non negative integer, non-negative integral power is called polynomial. Is called polynomial. This is very important definition, student, related to the polynomials. An algebraic expression in which the variables means not fixed value, have only one non-negative integral. Non-negative integral मतलब नेचुरल नंबर. Non-negative integral का means 1 2 3 4 dot dot. Power is called polynomials. For example, algebraic expression px is equal to 4x cube ax square bx cube means 4 is constant term, constant, x is variable, or this is power. Power is also positive, non-negative integral. This is the variable, this value is constant, x is variable, power is non-negative integral. B is constant, x is variable and power is non-negative integral. It's also defined the student. The power of the variable is also non-negative integral. Okay, student. Okay, student. Algebraic expression. Before we are defining the definition of the polynomial, the polynomials is also defined the constant into variable to the power non-negative integral. That means algebraic expression is defined also constant into variable in power to the non-negative integral. Constant and variable means constant is also defined fixed value, and variable is also defined not fixed value, not fixed value. The relation between constant and variable, for example, polynomials is also denoted by px, axq plus bx square plus cx plus d. This is known as polynomial. Which type of polynomial? The cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Px is equal to where a, b, c belongs to real number or constant. Real number or constant, and x is variable. X is variable. This is also defined. A is the constant term, x is variable, or x to the power 3 is defined the non-negative integral, means power. Okay student, write this type of definition. First topic is student term of polynomials. There are two type of defined the polynomial. First is term of polynomial and second degree of polynomials. The term of polynomials is also defined. First, mononomial. Mononomials. Mononomials means a polynomial is defined only one term is called mononomial. Means one terms of polynomial is called mononomial. Means one term of polynomial is called mononomials. Mononomials means px is equal to singleton. 2x is called mononomial. 5 is called mononomial. 3y is called mononomial. 1 by 2z is called mononomial. Each and every term is defined single term is called also mononomials. Number 2, binomial. Binomials means a polynomial is also defined combine of two terms, means two terms of polynomial is called binomial. Binomial. For example, px is equal to ax plus b. Ax plus b, the combine of two terms is called binomial. 3x minus 5, 4y plus 1 by 2 is called binomials. Number 3 student, trinomial. Trinomials means three terms of polynomial is called trinomial. Is called trinomial. For examples, px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Ax plus bx plus c is called trinomial. They are combined to 1, 2 and 3 terms. The combination of 3 terms is also defined the trinomials. 3x cube minus 4x plus 6 is called trinomials. Is also denote the 3 terms. Okay student, write each and every topics. Number 2 student, degree of polynomials. Degree of polynomials is also defined the 4 type of the degree of polynomial. First is linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. Number 2, quadratic polynomial. Number 3, cubic polynomial. Number 4, biquadratic polynomial. Biquadratic polynomials. So first is defined linear polynomials. Linear polynomials is also defined. What is the linear polynomial? Linear polynomials means one degree of one variable. One degree of one variable is called linear polynomial. One degree of one variable is called linear polynomial. For examples, px is equal to ax plus b. A is constant, x is variable, and b is also constant. One variable and to the power 1 is called linear polynomials. 2x minus 7 is called linear polynomial. 3y minus 1 by 2 is called linear polynomial. Okay, student. Second, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial means 2 degree of one variable is called quadratic polynomial. Is called quadratic polynomial. 2 degree of one variable is called quadratic polynomial. For example, px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A is constant, b constant, c constant. Using the variables only one, x is the variables to the power 2. So 2 degree and one variable is also defined the quadratic polynomial. 3x square minus 7x plus 5 is also defined the quadratic polynomial. Third is cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomials means 3 degree of one variable. Student, 3 degree of one variable is called cubic polynomial. Is called cubic polynomial. Is also denoted by px is equal to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. X is variable and my power to the variable is 3. So 3 degree and one variable is also defined the cubic polynomial. 2x cube minus 7x square plus 5x plus 1 is also is called cubic polynomial. Number 4, student, by quadratic polynomial. By quadratic polynomial. By quadratic polynomial means 4 degree of one variable. 4 degree of one variable is called by quadratic polynomial. Also denoted by px is equal to ax to the power 4 plus bx cube plus cx square plus dx plus e, where x is the variable and power of variable is also 4, is called quadratic by quadratic polynomial. Okay, student, write them. Next topic is related to the exercise 3.1. Coefficient of the polynomials. Coefficient of the polynomials means factor of the algebraic expression. Factor of the variables means px is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. X is variable, a is constant. X is variable, b is constant. The coefficient of x square. The coefficient of x square is also called a. The coefficient of x is called b. Coefficient means multiple of variables. Means coefficient of x square is also denoted by a. Coefficient of x is equal to b. Next example, student number 2. If px is equal to 2x cube minus 7x square plus 1 by 2x minus 9. This is the cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial. Coefficient of x cube is denoted by 2 and coefficient of x square is also denoted by minus 7 and coefficient of x is equal to 1 by 2. So this is called coefficient of polynomial. So also write the two examples and solve the each and every questions of the exercise 3.1. Okay, student.